Hello all and welcome back to this quick lecture on case expression. By the end of this lecture, you will get to understand that what is a case expression, why do we use it, and what is the correct syntax to use case expression on PostgreSQL. So without wasting any time, let's jump into our pgadmin tool. So I'm using this payment table over here, which contains all these columns: payment ID, customer ID, staff ID, etc. And let's pay attention to this amount column. Before we go ahead and learn how to use case expression in SQL, let's try to see the minimum and maximum value from this amount column. We can check that using these two queries. So first I will execute this one and you can see the minimum value is 0. Let's go ahead and check the maximum value within the column, and that would be 11.99. So the value in the amount column ranges between 0 to 11.99. So first let's execute this query and it is giving me the amount column from the table. And let's say next to this amount column, I want to create one more column that will divide the values within this amount column within 3 categories. The first category would be starting from the amount 0 to 4.99 will be categorized as affordable. Then the amount between 4.99 to 7.99 will be categorized as normal, and any amount greater than 7.99 and between 11.99 will be categorized as expensive. And we can do that with the help of case expression. So I just need to add something over here, and if you pay attention to this piece of code, I will give you a proper breakdown for this. So I'm selecting the amount column first that we already have. Post that, I'm creating a case expression over here, and then I'm saying when the value in the amount column is lesser than 4.99, I want to categorize that as affordable. Similarly, when the value in the amount column is between the range of 4.99 to 7.99, I want to categorize that as normal. Else, which means any amount greater than 7.99 should be categorized as expensive. And then I'm saying end the case expression as I'm creating an alias as price group from the payment table. As simple as that. If I will select and hit execute, then along with the amount column, I should get one more column which is price group here. And as we can see, different values in the amount column have been categorized into different price groups. And this is how simple it is to use case expression in SQL. It comes very handy when you are working in live project in your day-to-day work. If you want, then you can also sort this output with this amount column by adding a single line of code right here. You will say order by, then you will say amount. If you will go and execute it, the output will be sorted by the amount column. Only watching the lecture and tutorial is not going to be helpful enough for your efficient learning. So I emphasize you to practice whatever you're being taught within this playlist by yourself. So go ahead and try to play around with different tables within the DVD rental database that we are using throughout this course. You can see the tables listed right here, and then after practicing it few times, you will start feeling confident about working with case expression. So that is it about today's lecture. It was a quick explanation on using case expression with the help of SQL on Postgre. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next lecture.